Hi! So as you know, I've been wanting to spend more time outdoors, and since I got my car, I really want to do more road trips and visit new places and get out in nature more. And I rarely get new shoes, but I'm really excited to try these ones from Icebug. It's a brand that has ethical production and they're a really good brand in so many ways. And I'm really excited to try them out and see how the quality is and how they work with my needs. So I want to show you that, and I thought I would be trying them for a month or so and then give you a review of what I think. So the ones I got are called Rover, and they're, let's see if I can get it out without, wait, like that. So these ones are called Rover, and they're a lightweight shoe that still has a really good grip. So I'm really excited to try them as a complement to my more like rough and big hiking boots. And I really love that they have this like twist strap, so you don't have to get down and retie the straps over and over. And as a parent, I think these are gonna be great when we're outdoors with the kids too. So yeah, if you have any experiences with Icebug or if you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll get back to you when I try them out. Today I'm out in Häckeberga Naturreservat, which is a natural reservatory, I think that's the word, outside of Lund where I live, and it's a car ride away. It's around 30 minutes and I really love it here. The light is very sharp because it's evening here now and the sun is really low. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my Icebug shoes. So they're called Rover. I don't know if I mentioned that before when I got them, and I got the ones with extra grip. So they're really good places around here, for example, where there are a lot of hills, so I don't lose my grip. So I'm gonna try them out and I'm going to give you a review when I've had them for a while. And I also wanted to show you this beautiful place because I love it. So if you live in Lund or close by, I can really recommend you to go here to run or to hike or to just have an outdoor breakfast or dinner or picnic or something. So this is a really, really nice place, even if I get branches in my head. So now I'm going to climb up. It might be a bit shaky with the video, but I still wanted to talk you through it. And I really feel like I'm getting a good grip. It's quite steep here. Not very rocky, but a lot of leaves and branches that they can hold on to. So that's really nice. So I found a really nice place to eat, and now I've had my sandwich and my boiled eggs and my water, and I'm just sitting here enjoying myself. It's so beautiful here and I feel so peaceful. it's exactly what I needed after a day working from home. And like I said, I'll get back to you with a review of the shoes, and if you have any questions about them, you can ask me in the comment section or on Instagram or something, and I'll try to answer all your questions. And I really hope that these shoes will go on many adventures with me, and that they'll be a sustainable choice. I'm really happy with them so far, and yeah, talk to you more soon.